Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Here I am with the part 2 of the best of skincare 2020. If you haven't checked the part 1, I will link it down in my description. Since the video was going way too long, I did split the video in two parts. So today you will be seeing the serums, the hair care products, moisturizers and much more. So if you don't want to miss out on some stunning skincare, then keep on watching and consider subscribing before you leave my channel. So let's get started. Let's move on to some serums in essence. And the first essence which I absolutely loved, I'm already using the second bottle and I just love this product in a whole, is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Now everybody has a mixed feeling on this product, but clearly talking, I have suggested this product a million times. I did include this product in my top 6 products for combination to oily, and mark my word, if I say so, it has worked. I am not showing you a bottle which is fully full till the brim and then say, oh my god, it has worked so wonderfully on my skin. No, it's completely over. I already have a second one and I will repurchase it again, because this is one product which can solve so many issues of yours. And secondly, if you're not into skincare, then just buy this product and you're sorted. Because I'm not saying that this is going to do everything for you, but to start up, you don't want to put a serum, you don't want to put a toner, you just want to put that one product and you are done, then I think you can be going in for this one, because it really improves your skin texture. It gives you more of an even skin. I have absolutely loved this product. If you want to know more about this product, you can check out my review, because if I talk about this product like whole, then this will become L'Oreal review. So yes, something which I have absolutely loved past year, and I'm continue using it. I have already have another bottle. So yes, something well made. So I guess I will show you first all the empties, because I did keep these empties just to show you in this video, because yes, I did used up all of this skincare in 2020, and not because I use it up, because I absolutely loved these products. The next one I have is the Derma Essentia anti-aging serum. The packaging has changed now. I did not repurchase it because I'm already using another vitamin C serum, which I'll show you in a minute. Again, something well done, very mild, very watery. It just sinks into your skin in no time and you will not even know. This vitamin C serum, though you can actually wear it underneath your makeup, you'll not know. But do not wear your makeup immediately after using these serums. At least give 20 or 30 minutes bracket before using any other product on top of any kind of serum you end up wearing. So yes, another lovely product, another good product, and this was my first vitamin C serum in my skincare routine, or for that matter, my skincare life. So yes, I absolutely loved it. Once my other vitamin C serums are over, and if I'm not buying anything new, then I would definitely go back to this one. Since I was showing you a vitamin C serum, the current vitamin C serum which I'm using is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Serum with 20%. This is how the bottle would come. Again, something really well done. This is my second bottle by them, and I absolutely love the texture on this one. It is, I think, well made for my age of people, I would say. I would not suggest this vitamin C serum for the girls who do not have any skin issues, or you don't need a little heavy vitamin C serum, I would say, because I feel this is more on a heavier side. People who are like in their late 20s would start using this one and you will see more effectiveness on your skin. But people who are into their 18, 19 age, then I think this is not the one made for you. But this product by itself is well done as a vitamin C serum. So yes, again, something absolutely loved in 2020. Another interesting vitamin C, another favorite product, another product which I completely finished in 2 months itself, is the Garnier Light Complete Vitamin C Serum. I've done a full review on this product. Again, something well done by Garnier. Not everybody is a big fan of Garnier products, but I personally like this particular range, the White Complete range by them. Do not judge me here, because the product says White Complete, but I do not buy products reading fairness, bright whiteness, or you will become fairer. I do not buy products like that. I buy products for other reasons. So this was bought for another reason, and I could see a visible change in my skin. But I would say the claims which the brand does, 3 days may you will see change, or 1 week may, no, you will not see any kind of change. You may see an instant change the first day maybe, or the third day, but your change will stop there. So you will exactly see a visible good change at least after 2 weeks of using this product. And yes, I did review this product after using this product for some time so that I can give you my real thoughts on it. So yes, this is a good budgeted vitamin C serum by Garnier. Is it comparable to many other high-end? I would say no, but it does the job what it says. So agar kaam kar raha hai, then you can be getting this one. Frankly speaking, we have a lot to catch up on serums because yes, I did try a lot of serums past year. Next up is my holy grail serum, and I will keep buying this serum again and again. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. This is the empty bottle. I bought this like 15-20 days back. I have already started using this. This has to be in my vanity, and this I feel is made for everyone and anyone. If you are a person who's dry skin, you can get. You are oily skin, you will love it. Sensitive, you will love it. So this is more of a holy grail serum which you will keep seeing in like every year favorites of mine. But again, something well done by Innisfree. For the price, I feel you're getting a good amount of product. This product is going to last you longest. So me using so many other serum still can resist the bottle for 6 months. I can use it. So again, something really well done for everyone. It quickly absorbs into the skin, doesn't leave any kind of oiliness on the skin. It is a water-based product, so I absolutely love the formula on this one. And yes, it is made for everyone and anyone, as I said earlier. So if you haven't tried Innisfree, then you know what to do. Next up, another serum, another different formula altogether, and something which I have stopped using at this point of the weather because I feel this product is well made for summer to humid to monsoon weather. As winter hits, then you should be stop using the serum altogether because you may feel drying. This is the Wow Skin Science Oil-Free Blemish Care Serum. Again, something well done. I don't know what they have done with this formula. It is not a typical serum. It is more of a creamy product. Okay, let me just remove a little bit. This is how it is, and it will just melt into your skin in no time and you're done. But the only factor about this product is once you apply it, it just grabs your skin. So if you apply this product in winters, you may start feeling a little drying, and maybe if you end up putting a little bit of makeup after some time, it will just crack up. I've never done that because this product should not be used in the daytime. Instead, you can use this product only in the night once a day. So yes, again, something really well done, and I have really enjoyed this product. I kept it aside. I did not give it to anyone because I know I'm going to be reusing it in my summers. So another 3 months and I will be back to blemish care. Again, something made for oily skin people more, and dry skin people can keep yourself away from this product. But if you are suffering from blemishes, then you can actually use this product once a day and you are sorted. Retinol, retinol, retinol. Now, retinol serum can be a little tricky serum for many. So before buying retinol serum, you need to know everything about that particular serum you end up buying. So you have to have a little knowledge about retinol in general before putting up on your skin. Now the major question which everybody keeps asking, what is the right age to put a retinol serum? Now frankly speaking, it's all up to your skin appearance, how it is performing. Now if you feel that your skin is already getting aging, then you should have already started putting retinol. But if you have still not started aging, and if you still not have wrinkles and you're already 30 plus, then I think you can still introduce the retinol serum so that you can just delay the process of your aging. That's what a retinol can do. Retinol cannot stop your aging. It's just a precautionary step which you're taking for yourself. The two retinol serums which I absolutely love using on my skin is the Body Cupid's Retinol Face Serum, which is completely over. I absolutely love this formula on my skin, and this was my first ever retinol serum being used on my skin, and this made me buy another one. Again, something well done by Body Cupid. I have tried 4 to 5 products from them, and this is one of the best products I tried by them. Again, well made for everyone, but this product is not supposed to be used every day. If you end up buying this one, you have to use this product once in 3 days. and later when you start seeing visible result after using this product for at least 2 months, then only you will start seeing results. And if you feel you can reduce the usage of the retinol, then you do so with this particular retinol serum by Bodycubers. Now every brand has their own way to use their products, so read before using any retinol serum. Disclaimer, ये product के साथ once in 3 days only you have to use it. So yes, again something I have absolutely loved it. If I do not find a good retinol serum, good means later or good serums, then I will definitely go back to this one and start using it again. But so far 1 year was really well with this serum. Since that retinol serum was over, I had to go ahead and buy another one. Another one I happen to love a lot is the Wow Skin Science Retinol Face Serum, which is again made for anti-acne, anti-aging and skin restoration. Again, something well done. This is my second bottle because this product you can apparently use every day. But I do not use it every day. I use it like once in 3 days again, as I was doing it earlier, because I do not feel my skin needs so much, because I already have a lot of skincare to use, already multiple steps I do. Already I do my skincare like in 3 parts. I never use 8 products in a go. I always restrict myself to 3 products itself, nothing more than that. So yes, this is another wonderful retinol serum. This is more of a gel-like, like a liquid like, and then you just have to tap it in your skin and you are done. Again, something which can be used by the people who are into their early 20s also, because this is not a very heavy retinol serum. It is well done, like many people can enjoy it. It's not that you have to wait for your 30s to arrive, but I would say if you are a person who is not into aging and you are going to start, or you know that after 3 साल के बाद मुझे aging start हो जाएगी, then you introduce this serum, because this is mild, it's not overly done, so your skin will not get irritated, you will like it, and simultaneously you're just prepping your skin for more advanced skincare. So yes, I absolutely love this serum again for my skin. And yes, as I said, if I will not get anything, then I will just go back to my oldie goodies. So yes, again a wonderful product I have enjoyed past year. So those were the number of serums which I happen to enjoy in the year 2020, and apart from them also I've tried a lot of other serums, but since I do not have them in my hand to show you guys, I will just skip it because the video has gone really long. Next up, I have a skin portion, a facial oil by Nykaa, which I absolutely love. Again, another skincare product by Nykaa I absolutely love, and I cannot recommend you enough. For the price, you're really getting a good skincare facial oil. This is the Nykaa Skin Potion Overnight Repair Facial Oil. Now, everybody has a different story with their facial oils, or what their skin feels after applying a facial oil. So you do not take it as, you know, she is saying it is best, but for me it didn't work. So if it didn't work for you, it is never going to work for you. So do not even try hard for it. So because it happens sometimes, if I buy a facial oil from another brand and it doesn't work for me, so it happens. So you don't have to blame the brand, it's just that your skin doesn't like it. Accept that fact, you will be very easy with skincare then. So this is the Nykaa Overnight one. I have the 24K and the anti-aging. I've done a full review, and there I have done a second video also where I have answered a lot of your questions. I will link both the videos in my description, because I still get a lot of questions on these facial oils, that how should be putting it. Now overnight one is straight up, you have to put it only in the night. Do not confuse yourself and put it in the daytime or morning. And if you have only one oil from all they have launched, then you apply whenever you feel like. But if you have like 3, just like me, then apply only this in the night. And you can just do it like twice a week. You don't even have to do it every day. So yes, and do not mix the oils. And if you are into a 24 age, 21 age or 30, you can use it. And buy the oils according to your skin concerns. Do not just buy the oil because I showed it to you. I absolutely love this one a lot from all the 3 I have got. And frankly speaking, this is a magical oil. It will really give you that nice, rejuvenated, brightened up, corrected skin in the morning. Do it for a month, you will see visible changes in your skin, and for the price I feel you're getting extremely well done product. And this bottle is going to last you more than a year, nothing less than a year this bottle will last. So yes, again something wonderfully done, and I have absolutely loved all the 3 past year, but I'm showing you this in particular because this is like the ranking number 1. Moisturizers, yes, a very important step, and I feel you should be investing in a good moisturizer when coming to your own skin type, be it be oily, dry, sensitive. You should be buying a moisturizer as per your skin texture, your skin need and your skin type. Do not just buy moisturizers blindly because somebody said it is out of this world. No, it is not out of this world. It's just that that person feels out of this world after using that moisturizer. Yes, that's how it is. The first one I have is the L'Oreal Revitalift Night Cream. Now I'm not going to show you day cream first and night cream, randomly picking it up and showing it to you. So this is again something well done. I am currently using this one. It's really thick in the hands, but when you apply it on your skin, you doesn't feel any kind of heaviness or your pores doesn't feel clogged. It is made for every skin type, like all skin type. So if you're looking for a night cream which is not creasy, oily, or in the morning when you get up it is just sitting on your face, then this is the one to go for. Now this is the night cream which I have stood by. I have used jars and jars of it. So this is my 3rd jar by L'Oreal, and I do not like to haphazardly buy products. I've done so many skincare videos on my channel. Check them out before buying one for yourself, but this one definitely my 2020 favorite. Moving on to my holy grail moisturizers, I have a day and a night cream from one brand, is the Garnier Light Complete. As I have already mentioned that I completely love this whole Light Complete range for my skin. It works absolutely wonderful for my combination to oily skin. It keeps oils in control. So this is the day cream and this is the night cream. If you go and look back onto my channel, my favorites, you will always see these tubs in my hands because I just have to have them. I just use them, and the weather is so dry, I'm still using the day cream because I did travel in the month of December and my skin was completely tanned and I was not feeling good about my skin. It was feeling very tired and I knew these can fix it. So yes, the night cream and the day cream and the night cream, both are absolutely well done. This though can be used in any weather because it's not drying. This can be drying in winters, but I still love it. I still enjoy this product and I have absolutely loved this whole range from Garnier. Since we are talking about Garnier, let's talk about another interesting and a most loved moisturizer by them is their Garnier Wrinkle Lift Pro Retinol from Nature Anti-Aging Cream. This is how it comes. Again, something I have been using from years and years. The reason of me using this completely for anti-aging, and this is one product I have been using past 4 to 5 years. You imagine? So this product in general has done a lot for my skin. Yes, products I gai, but this has stayed because this works. It is the most inexpensive moisturizer in my vanity and this works magic on my skin. So if you want to introduce inexpensive anti-aging, anti-wrinkle moisturizer, this is the best option I'm offering you. Get it, grab it, you will love it. Another moisturizer which I have loved in the year 2020, and this is my 2nd jar, is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. Now frankly speaking, I do not use this as my night cream. I use it as more of my day cream, and I like using this product in my summers and monsoons because it controls my oil, like controls the sebum on my oil. And when I'm wearing makeup, no fan on, this moisturizer helps me to control everything. So yes, again something well done by Plum. If you are a person who is looking for something which will control your sebum, everything keeps in control, and you can wear your makeup and film a video or just go out, roam around and come back, then this is the moisturizer to go for. Again, it is a night gel, but as I said, use your brains accordingly, use your product. So this is how I have been using. I do not use this product in the night because I feel I do not want to have a very dry skin in the morning, or something which like has just holded up everything on my skin. I like to have more of a hydrated skin in the morning so that my whole day is well done. So yes, something which I have absolutely loved by Plum. And now we are down to the last moisturizer, and the most expensive one is the Estee Lauder Idealist Pore Minimizing Skin Refinisher. Oh my god, this is a well done product by Estee Lauder. I have used the ANR serum. I still have a little bit left in my serum bottle, but frankly speaking, if I say so, if I will go back and repurchase anything again and again, would be this one. This is my third bottle. I do not show this product to you guys because I know it is expensive and not everybody would agree with me on it, that it pore minimizes. Now it is a moisturizer, more come of a serum moisturizer, I would say. Give some time to this product. If you want to see visible difference, then use this product at least for 3 months, at least. Yes, it is going to hurt your pocket, but frankly speaking, अब तक मैंने जितने लोगों को पर्सनल एंड पे ये प्रोडक्ट रेकमेंड किया है एंड दे हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, they have come back to me and they have told me that it has worked. I have read some nasty reviews on Nykaa and many other places. Everybody has a mixed feeling on the product. They say it's a waste of time, waste of money, but you cannot be expecting your pores to shrink in like 1 week. उनको आने में ही इतना टाइम लगा था तो जाने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ना. So just give that time. If you have 3 months in your hand, just save some money, buy this product, use it for yourself, and you will know it all. But do not expect anything in lesser time than that. So yes, if I have to repurchase anything, it has to be this one, and I'm definitely repurchasing this. I don't have to tell you that. But yes, this is something I have absolutely loved from many years. Eye creams, I think it's more of a finishing segment of this video, but stay tuned at the end of the video because I have only 2 hair products to show you guys. The first eye cream which I absolutely love is the Lakme Argan Oil Radiance Night Revival Eye Cream. Oh my god, absolutely love. It is well made for people who have more of a tired eyes. If you want to work on depuffing your eyes and just give that brightened up eye, then go ahead and buy this one. This will just cost you 650 rupees, but this does the magic for me. So this I have absolutely loved. I will definitely be repurchasing this one because only tad bit of product is left. I have to really squeeze in to take it out. But yes, something I have absolutely loved past year. I've done a full review on this product, but something really well made by Lakme. So you must be surprised and shocked, only one eye cream she happened to show. But yes, frankly speaking, I am using a lot of different eye creams, but that was the one which I enjoyed in past 2020 and used the longest. Moving on to some hair care products. Now I have a lot of hair care products, but I cannot touch upon every hair care product because this video is going to be like I think an hour. So I will be showing you only 2 hair care products which I absolutely loved using, and I think I will buy again and again. But 2020 was the year where I did restricted my hair routine to more of a natural shampoo and natural conditioner, and I absolutely love the Wow Skin Science Onion, the anti-dandruff range for my hair. I've done a full review. Again, you can check out that video later, but those were the only 2 shampoos and conditioner I was using in 2020. Moving on to some interesting hair care product. Now the first one is more of a gadget, I would say, is this Wow Skin Science hair massager. Oh, this is such a good manual hair stimulator, I would say. You don't need anything. You don't need anyone for your head massage. You buy this and you're sorted. So for good blood circulation and your oil application, this is the product you should be eyeing. I have absolutely loved this. You just need one and you're sorted for your lifetime. These are silicone bristles, so they're not going to hurt your head, neither they're going to lead any kind of hair breakage. So yes, something I have enjoyed in 2020 and I continue using it. And last but not the least, a product of this year, and I never knew that I'm going to love this so much. And now it's like, you know, every time I wash my hair, I have to put this product. Have to. it's like a ritual. I have to put this only, so I cannot lose this bottle. So this is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum All Hair Type Serum. I've done a full review again on this product. I think I've said this line like a million times in the video. I've done a full review. Yes, I have done reviews on every single skincare product I showed you in this video, because I like to give more information on every skincare products I try. So yes, this is another lovely hair serum. Lovely. I just love using this product because it doesn't make my hair sticky. It just gives me that nice shine, smooth hair, and my hair stays really well for 3 days straight up. So yes, again, something really enjoyed in 2020, and I continue using it. That was quite a lot of skincare and only 2 hair care products. Everything will be mentioned in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. But I have done full dedicated reviews on every single products I have to show you in this video. And I'm really happy to try so many different skincare, and my skin has really sustained well. Have shown such amazing results on my skin, and really like my skin at this point. I hope you loved watching this best of 2020 skincare video. I will be here soon with the worst of 2020 products. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.